Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to fix Telegram and this me not working very easily. So without being said guys, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, you just have to click on settings on your iPhone or Android device. If you're on an iPhone device, just go to settings. If you're on an Android, you just have to delete cache of your Telegram application. But if you're on an iPhone, I'm just gonna show you guys how to do it. So for example, I'm just gonna click on apps. Actually, first you have to go to general on iPhone, then go to storage. It should be here, or we'll just search for storage here. Just click on iPhone storage, and here it's going to show you all of these applications. And now you just have to find Telegram here. So I'm just going to look for it. So this is Telegram here, and I just have to click on offload app right here. Just click on offload app. It's going to offload this application, and then you just have to reinstall the application, and this should fix your problem. If you're on an Android phone, you just have to delete the cache of your Telegram application, and this is how you do it, guys. If you found this video to be helpful, then consider subscribing. Without being said guys, I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.